In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Yahoo Mail filter not working. First, you need to sign in to Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password. Once you log in, the main inbox will appear. Here, you will see all your emails. This is an important step because you need to be logged in to access your settings and make the necessary changes. If you encounter any issues while logging in, double-check your credentials to ensure they are correct. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will find the option for Settings. This is crucial because the Settings menu is where you can manage all aspects of your Yahoo Mail account, including filters. After accessing the Settings menu, click on More Settings. This option is typically found at the bottom of the Settings drop-down. Once you click it, a new window will open with various categories. This step is essential as it brings you to the detailed settings where you can find the filters section. You want to ensure you have access to all the tools necessary for troubleshooting your filters. Now, select Filters. In the More Settings window, you will see a list of options on the left side. Click on Filters to view all the filters you currently have set up. This is important because it allows you to see if your filters are created correctly and functioning as intended. You will be presented with a list of your existing filters, and this is where the troubleshooting begins. Next, check that your filter rules are correct. Review each filter rule you have set up. Make sure that the criteria specified in each rule match what you want to filter. This step matters because incorrect rules can prevent your filters from working properly. For instance, if you have a typo in the email address or a wrongly set condition, the filter may not catch the emails you intended. Moving on, if multiple filters exist, consider moving the filter higher in the list. The order of filters can affect their functionality. If a higher filter catches an email first, it will not reach the lower filter. This is crucial because it helps prioritize which filters get applied first, ensuring that your most important rules are executed. Now, remove or edit any conflicting filters. If you notice that two or more filters are trying to act on the same emails, they could conflict with each other. This can cause one or more filters to fail. By resolving these conflicts, you enhance the effectiveness of your filters. You can do this by either editing the rules to work together or removing the unnecessary ones. Remember that filters only apply to new incoming emails, not messages already in your mailbox. This is an important point to keep in mind. If you are testing your filters, make sure to send a new email to see if your changes take effect. Existing emails in your inbox won't be affected by the filters you adjust now. Finally, save your changes and send yourself a test email to confirm the filter works. After making all necessary adjustments, look for the Save button and click it. This ensures that all your changes are stored and ready to be applied. Once saved, send yourself an email that meets your filter criteria. This step is reassuring because it allows you to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with your Yahoo Mail filters not working properly. Happy emailing!